Oh, I just heard the bell. Let's see what's out there. Oh, there are Uno cards. I must check it. Oh, they are the wild Uno cards. Thank you for giving whoever gave me that. Let's go and unbox this. Let's bring the scissors to cut the tape. I have brought the scissors. Now 3. And boom. See this. See the card. 3, 2, 1. And boom. See, this is a card I don't want. But check out these Unos. See my cards, bro. They're so awesome. Thanks. See this fast motion, bro. And see the other side of the Uno cards. Thanks for watching. See you next.